so I'm gonna take off right now. I'm on stock pits, and the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is the D set point weight is, at least in my opinion, a very stupid setting, because yeah, it just feels very loose. And yeah, I'm gonna check no counts, so let's take off. So I'm gonna do some flips, and as you guys can see, it's like very, very loose. And that's only because of the D set point weight is at 0. So prop wash is also not very good, even though I have my filters disabled. So yeah, does the same thing on pitch. So I'm gonna land right now and adjust the D set point weight.
The D set point weight to 2.0. That's the setting where I normally at 2. Let's save that, disconnect, and see if this makes any difference.
Let's take off. So, way better. At least I think that you guys are able to see this. But not such a big bounce. And the little like wobble, I think that we can get this tuned out. So yeah, let's start with the PID tuning. So the first thing that I like to do is just raising the I, raising the P, because 40 is just way too low, and of course it flies well, or it flies nice if you're like a beginner, but for me it feels way too loose, so I'm gonna adjust it on pitch and roll. Normally, like, pitch is always a little bit higher, because it just needs more authority to stop. So let's hit back and save and reboot. Let's take off again. Is there a car coming? Nope. So yeah, it just feels tighter, but I think that we can go even higher. There we can go even higher on the roll P. What the fuck? Camera's freaking out. And there's a car coming. What up, dude? He's like, what the fuck is this? And there's someone walking around. Okay, so let's land. Yeah, prop wash is definitely there. Still need to tune the D gains, but yeah, let's just tune the piece. Let's set this to 63 and this to 75. I think that's pretty good. Yaw P, I don't really care. I don't really feel any difference with tuning the yaw. Maybe like the last step I might tune it. Yeah, way better. Already way better. Yeah, that's how I like it. I think this battery is also very toast. Yeah, stops pretty good. So let's change battery But as you guys can see, the prop wash actually got worse. Yeah, that's that. Fuck, the battery's getting roasted. So we'll just change batteries real quick and then we do some more tuning. So yeah, fresh pack. Let's go into the PIDs. And I think that maybe like this. This looks pretty good, so let's try that again. Because when I'm doing like half backflips, I think that's still a little bit loose. So yeah, let's take off. Oh shit. Just not try to crash into the car. The sun is already getting down or going down. But I want to... Yeah. See that? Yes, that's the way how I want it to fly. Maybe a little bit bouncy, but I think that we can get this way by increasing the D gain, the I gain a little bit more, at least from my experiences. That's the thing that we need to adjust. P is the main thing that you need to focus on if you're tuning for feel, which I do, because yeah, stock Ps or stock pits actually are pretty good, but they are quite loose. So yeah, let's go in and tune the I gain. I like it to be at around 50 on pitch. Just my standard stuff. I gain 49 and pitch I, even though I didn't really check on it, I will increase it to 59 just from experience. Save and reboot. I don't know what the fuck. Yes, mate. Pretty good. Oh, I love this sound. And I'm also getting some weird mid-throttle oscillations. I don't know why, but going away. So yeah, let's just land and increase the D gain. What the fuck is this? Another, what the fuck? I'm paranoid. So yeah, let's land and increase the D gains. Just to increase the D gains. What the fuck, my English? 36 and 40, 49, 39. It's pretty good. And I think we're nearly done with tuning. Like, it's so easy nowadays with Betafly 3.3. It's like you don't have to deal with any bounce backs, you know? Like back in the days where you just tune it for feel, it just flew like crap because, yeah, of the bounce, and you couldn't really tune it the way you wanted. And now you really just tune for feel. What the fuck is going on with my vibrations? So yeah, let's do something split ass. Pretty good, dude. Wow, nearly zero prop wash. What the fuck's going on with my video? What the fuck? I feel like I'm getting small face saves. I think we're done actually. Like, maybe I'm gonna change something in the future. 11.9 volts standard. Maybe I'm gonna change some stuff in the future, or I think I need to change something because, like, over time I feel like I maybe need to increase my P a little bit more. And now through the OSD, it's like very easy to do. You don't need to carry like a PC or Mac anymore. So yeah. But for now, I think it's pretty solid on the 5x4x3 OG glass 9 props, and yeah, enjoy the little flight. Is there a car coming? Yeah, enjoy my little flight and the music. Maybe I'm just gonna do some raw prop music or just some standard stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Maybe I'm gonna do like a little overview of my Ummagawd remix, how I've set up my stuff, and yeah, thanks guys.
Yeah, yo, on the road right now, on a high right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, on the top right now, on the buzz right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, yeah. To the world I'ma make this, getting kinda anxious. Tell me what a break is. I'm putting in work, putting in time, spreading online. Figured out world with no one's due time. Looking for things I know I won't find, but that's just life. Let the good times roll. Let this play. Screw what they say. Sleep when I'm dead, alive in my grave, fading away from the normal society. Looks like there's nobody else on my way. Tour guide off on the trip. I'll be back in the fall. If I do slip, my team's catching my fall. Make memories, yeah, I'm living my motto. Live it up now, forgetting tomorrow. Do what we want, don't do what we should. Skin, so I tell them what's good. X hit me up last night, got 100 on the dash for the fast like welcome to the game, everybody's in. Welcome to the life, not everybody lives. Everybody dies, yeah, everybody lies, but it's true when they say that I'm up next, yeah. On the road right now, on a high right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, yeah. On the top right now, on the buzz right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, yeah. On the road right now, on a high right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, yeah. On the top right now, on the buzz right now, and I can't come down. I'm living it up, yeah. Yo, I'm finally feeling like myself. Man, I'm finally feeling like I'm me. See, I'm finally gonna spread my wings, open my heart, and finally breathe. I spent all this time in my head, and in time I let all that to get to me. But now I'm headed straight up to the top, and I cannot be stopped. You can come like vasectomies. Life has been blessing me, so I've been handing them out. Build me a wall, and I'm slamming it down. Everyone hated and everyone let me, but now they're the ones who are stranded and drowned. They screaming my name and they chanting it loud, bumping my new shit and jamming it loud. It's ecstasy when I'm on stage. I just get up and raise, boy, you know I'm enchanting the crowd. Cheers, this is the shit we would dream about. And now that we got it in grasp, we're higher than Marley and more drunk than anything. Now we can try to go fit in the flask. I finally feel like I made it at last. Understand that I know it doesn't last, so I'ma be me and I'll give it my all till I'm done, and I won't ever put on no mask. On the road